Got a fish on here. I can't get it on the rack here. See where we're at. I don't know what we got. He's wanting to go this way. You coming up this way, buddy? Got the snook.
Yep.
See if we can record this at the same time. See if we can just pull him one up here. Let's see here. Let me get him reeled in a little bit more. I believe he's going to be short. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. See what we got here. You got your measuring thing over there?
You're on the board first.
Yeah. Gotta keep him down. That's a thing short. Let's see here. Where are we at? 25-ish.
24 and 3/4.
Looking a little short.
That's what she said.
We're getting.
Alright, you're on the board.
We're getting that official. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. I don't like that stupid mat. Yeah, he's about 25-ish. But let's see here. Yeah. But we are on the board. You can't see, but yeah. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Give him a nice little release here. There he goes. On the board. I like the looks of that. So I guess we'll keep this rolling for a little bit. Way to get it started. Apologize for breathing so heavy. I've had some bronchitis for the last month. So now I've got breathing treatments, inhalers, medicines, everything else going on right now. So, so I apologize for all the heavy breathing. All right. Not a bad way to start the morning. Looks like we got to keep our bait. Oh, we got another boat coming in. Got another boat coming in. Let's see what we got here. We might have to make a new hole anyway. Let's see what we got coming in here. What kind of boat, what kind of engine, you know, important stuff like that. Oh yeah, let's C Pro V6 200 Yamaha. Nice. That thing's clean too.
Oh yeah, it is.
That thing's nice. Got the center console. Got 3 buddies in a truck. They probably just got done killing some hog or something last night. Now here they are fishing today. You guys probably just got done killing hog last night. Now you're over here fishing today, huh? That's how it's done. There ain't nothing to it. Yeah. Old Gene get on the board over there. Always gotta show him up, get the first one, then he'll come around, and then he'll be over there with the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah, he's got the power poles and everything. 2 of them, not 1 power pole, 2 power poles. Nice and clean. Oh shit, never seen that action before. That's nice. Fastest start of the morning. Everybody else been on the struggle bus getting it started. Rigged up pretty good there. And they got a Chevy, so you know they're cool. You know they're cool when they got a Chevy. You know who drives Ford? I think Democrats drive Fords. Yeah, no shit.
Ford Circle's no problem.
Ford Circle around the round tracks.
They put a circle around the problem.
Yeah, they put a circle around their problem. Nice.
Heard that one the other day. I said that was pretty good.
That's a good one. Well, what's that? I already caught the first Snook this morning. 25-incher. Slaying them every time we come here. Nice boat. What is that? Is that like a 19 or 19 footer?
This one is like a 20.
20?
Close to a 24.
Oh yeah. I like the profile for it for as long as it is.
Oh yeah, this rides like a Cadillac.
Hell yeah.
He's got a 18.5 foot action craft. That rides good. Older, like a 74, 75. Yeah, well, you got this one. And even in the rough stuff, I mean, it's very dry ride.
Sharp. Need one of those in my life. Chris is over there taking a break. I think we got 1 pier fisherman over there, that's it. We got the lone wolf up there. Out there on the corner. Oh, nope, we got him back there. We got the corners covered on the pier. But they shoot it right across the water there to the other side on the shore, and that's where they catch them. It's a nice little long distance cast, but that's where they be at. Let's see if we can sneak anything on here again. I think he hooked himself. I think he's already hooked when I started reeling that in. I just let it sit here and soak for a little bit. I was a little heavy there for a second, but I do got a little weight on her. And it is mossy, so when in doubt, just give her a good yank just in case. Gotta set that hook. Them circle hooks, they'll hook them pretty good themselves. First Snook of the morning. Just hopefully I can get that keeper this time. instead of losing it on the without the net. Yeah, them pinfish, that's where we need to stick our bait station. Or well, that's where she landed, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see these guys off. Nice boat, though. There's old Mean Gene representing Ohio State. Ohio State probably won yesterday. I watched a little bit of the game. They was kicking some butt. I think they played Wisconsin.
Yeah.
I was doing that little bench seat in the shower for a couple clients, and I was going in and out of the house getting materials and stuff, and seen they was watching the game. Guess Ohio's 10-0. They're probably 11-0 now. They's doing good. I think they're ranked number 2. Good luck. They got the right equipment, though, that's for sure. They got the right tools for the job, that's for sure. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Need one of them gambles. Put this on there, and it can like on a pendulum, it'll hold your phone like level while you're moving it around. But yeah, we got where they back in from over here. They park over there, but see how many trucks and trailers we already got over there. Then they got a beach down there at that end and a seawall. And there's a lot of rock right along this mangrove and fence line to the pier, to the dock, to the no fishing zone that we like to fish in, because that's where the fish are at. So, here's what it is. Guess if FWC tells me to move, I will, but until then, probably not happening. On the board, though. That's a pretty good size one for the first one, though. And the tide's not even up yet, so there is hope for the day. The FWC app says that this is like best fishing days of the season, so a little crocky, I guess. I'll just let it soak there.
I like the tide coming in heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's hitting that shore over there. I don't like it when it comes in real fast, because I think it's just too much, too strong at once pull. Now, if you're over here out of the current, it don't mess with you. But if you're trying to go out there, really, I don't mind it going that way. It's just when it's going back that way, when it's going back out hard. But yeah, I can take a walk down here and check out the beach area. There's the pier area. You can catch some snook over here too. And I think there's a snook that likes to live right down in here. People fish off this end, out that way, right down here through this little channel. And looks like he's got some stuff. There's all that rocky structure I was talking about alongside here. And when the tide comes in, it comes up over into the trees. But you gotta stay out a little bit so you ain't getting all caught up. But you can catch a lot of mangroves. And I've caught the yellowtail jack or Jack Crevalle out of here. Is there? I almost got some.
They're under the limit. They just went under. But
Yeah.
You see the little baby ones there.
Yeah, I've seen where they're real small, but they do get some sheep in here. And we'll get some fiddler crab that climb on those pilings over there. Sometimes.
Yeah. Over all across these mangroves, they're everywhere. Oh, the same thing for all these too. They're all over the walls down here.
All over with messing around them.
You just need some boots or something.
They like them barnacles.
Yep. Yeah. I scrape them off, put them in a bucket, and then chum.
Yeah, chum it up. Yeah, like you said, they're usually small ones in there.
Yeah.
But get lucky and get a big one out of there one time. We'll walk down the beach area, check that out. Yeah, it's still shallow. Yeah. So what's this guy's doing down here? He's doing a little fishing. He'd probably be right there's all the boats. You can tell tide's still out. It's just now starting to come in. So, what we got? The beach area. Hello. Good morning. Got the beach area right here. Parking lot. Oh yeah, we got a couple guys over here fishing. You can tell. It's still shallow. Oh, we got a kayak over there. But you can tell how shallow it is still. Yet over here. But it's a cool little spot though. A lot of people, they'll launch at the boat ramp, but some people will launch their kayaks over here. Tide needs to come in a little bit for them, but yeah. And that all opens up down there. So it's all seawall. It's not going to, yeah, see him in. It's got a seawall and then a little beach area. So, well, we'll button this one up for now until we get some more action.
All right.
See you in a few.